Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be looking at a custom product spotlight, which is a integrated 20-inch LED light bar into the grille of a 5th generation Toyota 4Runner, a 2014 to 2018 Toyota 4Runner. We had to make some custom brackets to make it fit. However, as you can see, it fits just fine and it looks great. You probably can't see it right now, but as soon as I turn on the light, bang, right there, clean, well integrated light bar. What we did is there's a center support truss on the inside right behind the grille. We just took off the shield on the top of the engine compartment between the grille and the engine, and it gives you access to that bottom cavity. Made some brackets and mounted the light bar. Nobody really makes a kit for this, so go to Home Depot, get a little bit of steel, start bending it and manipulating it to where you can mount your own LED light bar into the grille. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want to leave us a comment or shoot us an email, that'd be great as well. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.